It's a beautiful morning. Ooh-hoo. It's a drone. This is the Klamath River. We're at Klamath RV Park. It's early April and it's about 60-ish degrees right now. We are entering the road to Fern Canyon. It's supposed to be about 4 miles of this bumpy road. Like that.
Not a box to put it.
What you gotta do?
You gotta self-register and pay the fee for the state park. Gold Bluffs Beach. Day fees, $8.
That RV in front of us went around. I am not paying.
Lick it, stick it, and take it.
That's what your $8 gets you. Get you that view right there.
Looks like Black's Beach to me.
Black's Beach.
Looks like it. Look at that black sand.
Whoa. That kid said, "Hey, nice job."
It's fun. Stream crossing. No tundra.
That was rugged. Oh, another one.
Stream crossing.
Do not tow elephants up ahead. What does that sign say?
Aggressive elk. Caution, don't get impaled by elk antlers.
So after that journey, we made it here to the parking lot. We have a restroom of sorts, and it's roughly just a mile loop. That's what we're gonna do. That beach is Gold Bluffs Beach that we saw. Oh yeah, that's the beach I read about. They came here to mine.
Hello.
Morning. Morning. So we stand corrected. This is the canyon where they filmed Jurassic Park. There are many Fern canyons.
The one that was used for the film was this one. Elk laying down over there. He's aggressive, so don't upset him.
He's aggressive.
He is, look at him.
Did it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow, it's cool.
That'll help.
That was his
Why did you go that way?
I thought this would be a shallow option.
Yeah, it's shallow, but you're getting wet. Over here, you don't even get wet. Get wet.
Well, I should just walk, because I didn't go that way.
Oh, man.
My shoes work.
Good.
Are you cold?
No, I'm good.
This log will go all the way down. Good plan?
Here's the belly of the canyon.
Belly?
Steep walls on both sides. Filled with ferns. Giant ferns like this one over here. And then smaller ones. Just growing all along the sides of the wall. Water's dripping down from the plants and the roots. All the sides. And there's a river right in between the canyon.
Where are you going, that way?
All these logs down.
Okay.
You can make it the next 10 feet, it shallows up.
What just happened? I heard a splash.
Oh. I'm good. The walls are rock.
They're pretty stable, right?
Yeah.
Can I just step on this and jump?
Just step on it and then keep your balance. Okay, there you go.
I like call it Fern Canyon.
There's a bunch of ferns.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, use your brain.
Poison ivy.
No? Is it wet over there? Waterway or this way? Yeah. Check out this old guy. Man, this is so cool.
Well, hi. We're here in Fern Canyon, where these canyon walls go straight up and down, and these ferns grow right here on the side of the canyon walls. Now look in here, look in here. These ferns, you see these ferns here? Well, these are dead, but these live ferns right here, they're growing out of the canyon wall. And they've been growing here for thousands of years. And there's even a waterfall falling on my head. Now, you mean to tell me that the water falls from the top of there all the way down to this riverbed and then flows down the middle of the canyon? That is something. There's a stairway. Let's take that.
There's another stairway. This is cool. We'll be able to see the canyon from up top. Maybe this is part of the James Irvine Trail. There's just no way to show this beauty.
0.5 miles that way will get us back to parking, or 0.3 miles this way on the James Irvine Trail. We can also do several other options, but we're going to do that one.
So this takes us back to our car. Just the same. Do you want to go back through the water?
This is fine.
Okay. Is that the skunk cabbage right there?
Something tells me this is skunk cabbage. It has a very aromatic flavor, and yeah, like a skunk.
I don't have a good sense of smell, and so I had no idea what I was picking up when I picked up that skunk cabbage flag. We're standing over 50 feet above the canyon right here.
I got a hat on my head, keep the sun out of my eyes. T-shirt, long sleeve pullover with a hood, cuts the chill in my ears. Got jeans, these gloves right here, these keep my hands warm. It's not really cold, but they feel really good. And then down at the bottom we got the shoes. These are waterproof hiking boots, and they've come in really handy, and my feet are dry, and I love it. And then sunglasses, and then backpack, carry water, and any food. We're all set.
It's a cool tree. We just hiked Fern Canyon out that way, and now we're here at Gold Bluffs Beach, where miners once found gold. The sand is black in color. It's beautiful. Gorgeous. There he is. Derek spotted a sea lion out here. It's out that way. He popped up over there. There's a sea lion over there. RV park is right over there. Sasquatch is standing guard. These are Yurok ceremonial grounds. The Yurok is the tribe, the local tribe here. What is that? sign says ceremonial use only, no entry. We are currently searching for a spot to take off the drone. That's cool. Seals are coming up. There's tons of seals over there. Derek's out flying his drone somewhere out there. Let's make some s'mores.
All I saw was you stuffing your face with marshmallows. So I didn't know what was happening. Hang on just a second. Let me burn this off. Cool.
Ooh, that one's looking good.
Mine?
Yeah.
It's like picturesque, huh?
Uh-huh.
You see that?
Tonight's s'mores are made with special dark Hershey's chocolate bar. And then we're doing the Nestle Crunch again.
So you?